In Congo, how concerned are you that there seems to be an impasse now in talks between the Congolese and Rwandan governments mediated by Angola?
Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, and join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you very much. Good afternoon. I have just briefed the members of the Security Council about the situation in West Africa and the Sahel. The West Africa and the Sahel region has recently witnessed positive and inspiring political developments through the holding of legislative elections in Senegal and general elections in Ghana. I should also mention the progress made by Cameroon in Nigeria border demarcation through the parties' readiness to resolve the final areas of disagreement as we near the completion of demarcation. This achievement, following the 2002 International Court of Justice ruling, will be a landmark achievement for peace building, rule of law, and diplomacy. However, we need to remain vigilant and mobilized as the sub-region continues to face multiple challenges. Terrorism, violent extremism, and climate change continue to cause huge suffering to millions of people, particularly women and youth. Coordinated efforts must be scaled up in collaboration with affected countries and within regional frameworks, and in full respect for humanitarian and human rights standards. There is an urgent need for long-term development investments, focusing on use and sustainable management of water for peace and stability. We take note of the decisions of Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger to withdraw from ECOWAS. We will continue our engagement with the parties to encourage them to pursue diplomatic efforts and maintain dialogue to find a lasting solution to this challenging situation for the interests of the parties and the sub-region. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Edith Lederer from the Associated Press. In the past few years, we've seen military authoritarian governments come to power one after another in the Sahel. Are you concerned that this is a new trend that is possibly going to spread elsewhere in the Sahel and West Africa?
Well, it's difficult to know. That depends on the dynamics of each country. But I think there are no signs for the moment that other countries might be in risk of military takeovers on that. We think that the trend has stopped there, and all the efforts are underway to assist these countries back into their constitutional normalcy.
And in Congo, how concerned are you that there seems to be an impasse now in talks between the Congolese and Rwandan governments mediated by Angola?
Well, Congo is outside of my region. It's Central Africa. But my view is that political negotiations always have ups and downs. So I can just say that I think that, well, you can have some challenging steps in the process, but the effort should continue because there is no alternative to negotiations for peace.
Thank you.
Thank you.